everyone, Celia Lice Lady here. Welcome back to our channel. Don't forget to subscribe for the latest and greatest updates on head lice and how to get rid of things, different products, things like that. Today we are going to look at a product and it's called the RobiComb. I haven't personally used this on anybody. I haven't used this on my kids, but I have had people come into our clinic using this specific product. And so I thought I wanted to give it a little try. I wanted to see exactly how it worked. The product says that it kills lice and eggs on contact. The experience that our clients have had with this product is that it doesn't really target the eggs. It doesn't do anything with the eggs. It just targets the live lice. So I thought I'd open the box, maybe give it a little test run and see how it works. I'm not gonna test it out on a client because I don't feel comfortable using a product that I've never used that has the word zap in it. But we are gonna give it a try on somebody here shortly to see exactly if it works, see if it zaps, see if it hurts. Let's give it a try and see what happens. So now we're gonna test out the RobiComb. I have my helper Scott here. What we're gonna do is we're going to see what this comb is all about. Scott does not have head lice, so if this comb zaps, if it zaps you, I'm sorry, but he doesn't have head lice, so I don't know what it would be zapping. A couple things, disclaimer, it says that it detects and kills lice and most eggs. Most is underlined, so obviously we're not killing all the eggs. It might not, in big bold letters, remove all of them, only lice and eggs that are large enough. Eggs are typically the same size, so I'm not quite sure when it's saying eggs that are large enough. Lice, yes, the lice are different sizes. So you're supposed to use a nit comb to remove any debris or anything like that. And then it says to use daily for up to 10 to 14 days is necessary. You guys, I don't want to treat my kid for 10 to 14 days in a row, do you? I wouldn't want to. Before each use, make sure that none of the teeth are touching one another. What that means. Some lice may still move after being zapped. This is normal, they will die soon. Okay, so based off their instructions, after you open the box, it doesn't sound like it's a super efficient way to kill head lice. Oh boy, we have batteries. It does come with a battery. Oh my goodness. Are you scared?
Not gonna lie, a little bit. I feel like it's gonna cut my hair.
It looks like it's gonna cut. I'm scared.
Okay.
No, okay, good. All right. Okay, so this comb isn't even really going through his hair very well. It's not zapping, that's good.
Sorry if my hair's dry. Oh.
Sorry. There's your hair. Sorry. It's not zapping, so that's good, but this... Oh. Did that zap you?
No, it's just pulled a bunch of my hair out.
Oh, sorry. So as you can tell, this hurts.
It makes a really odd high-pitched whistle too.
Does it?
Well, can't you hear it?
Well, yeah, I can hear it, but like by your ear. Yeah. I'm not by your ear.
Go ahead.
I feel like I'm gonna pull your hair out.
You are pulling my hair out.
It feels like it. Gosh. Well, I mean, I don't feel like I could do a really effective head check with this thing at all, like this, because it doesn't get through. And if you'll see, it's like super short.
Yeah.
Nit combs are super long. Well, at least according to this, you don't have head lice.
Does it zap you? Here, turn it on. Oh yeah, it kind of.
Oh, that's what it's.
Oh, it totally does. Yeah. Yes.
That's what it does when it gets a bug. It says that the sound stops, so that you know.
It totally zaps you. Totally zaps.
I don't want to do it. Does it?
Yeah.
It does.
Yes, it does.
Ooh, that one was a good one. I don't like this. In my my opinion, I don't think that this comb is going to work very well. It doesn't comb the hair out. It does not feel very good. The length of the prongs are super short, so you're not able to get right up to the scalp even if you wanted to use this for a comb, and it thinks our fingers are lice. So, and it did not feel good when you touch it. It's not anything traumatic totally, but it did not feel good. So I personally wouldn't use this on my own kids. I don't want them to be zapped and lose a ton of hair, sorry. For more videos like this, go ahead and subscribe. If you have any questions, make sure that you like, comment, and we can go ahead and answer any of those questions that you have, and have a lice-free and happy day.